CNLC Display was established in 2007. CNLC is one of the leading digital signage manufacturer located in Guangzhou, China. We focus on the development, manufacturing and sales of LCD and LED advertising display. We are experienced in the developing and using of aluminum structures. With the continuous innovation of digital display technology, we create more and more high-quality digital signage products with 15 years of sales and service experience in advertising display and digital signage. Our products are exported to the top in overseas markets, mainly sold in more than 80 countries around the world, covering the Europe, North America, Middle East, South America, Australia, Southeast Asia and Russia. CNLC has always been at the forefront of developing products and implementing new technologies. We are constantly innovating in high-brightness LCD and outdoor LED digital advertising displays, including high-brightness window display series, high-brightness indoor digital signage, outdoor digital signage series, outdoor drive-through digital menu series, shelf bar screen series, mobile display series, outdoor LED NUPI and street pole LED billboard series. As an OEM/ODM manufacturer, we believe that quality is the most important. With many years' experience of R&D and manufacturing, we have accumulated our own special skills and methods, and every step's structure, function, assembly, packaging, transportation and etc. will be well considered and satisfy our customers. Our certificates include LVD, FCC-ROSHCIP66, IK10 and Patent Design Certificate. With the diversified product series, CNLC covers almost all the industries, such as commercial buildings, retails, DOH, media, food and beverage, transportation, hotel and etc. CNLC provides 24-hour online service and emergency quotation and technical support. You are always welcome to contact us.